If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. Well, a few years ago, my wife talked me into being the official floor cleaner. And with that, I assumed the responsibility of being the official baseboard cleaner. I didn't like that part of it because I had to bend over, sometimes get down on my hands and knees. So I came up with a solution for that. I designed my own baseboard cleaner. Now to do that, I used a piece of broomstick, and you don't necessarily need this piece on the end, but it was there and it can stay there. And a piece of pool noodle. You stick that in there, and it fits pretty nice. And then you'll need an old sock, like this one. I find they work better turned inside out. Let's see if I can get this on here. Oh, pushed it in too far. There we go. I'll pull that right on like that. And there we go. Now I found that it works a little better if it gets a little moisture on it. So I'm using glass cleaner, but you could use not cabinet cleaner, but any kind of a wall cleaner or something like that. That sprays. It's nice when it sprays and it just gets it a little bit moist. Now we're going to take this upstairs where there's lots of baseboards, and I'll show you how it works. Now these baseboards were cleaned not that long ago, but hopefully there's a little dirt to demonstrate this. We just put it on here like so and drag it across. And there's the dirt that came off. I'll turn this to the other side and try another piece. And there's all that dirt that came off there. Okay, so we have that same dirt. Now when it gets all dirty, it's time to pull on the sock a little bit, like so. Might have to pull it down on the top a little bit. And just take that and stuff it inside the pool noodle, like so. And you have a nice new clean surface to clean your baseboards with. And you can just keep doing that until you can't stuff it in anymore. Then it's time to turn the sock over or to throw the sock in the washing machine.